So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte B760M D3H motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come this website. You can see this is www.gigabyte.com. After that you can this search button, and this is and then enter your model number B760M D3H, then enter. Then in the product and find out. So this one, just open it. Then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 11. So this is your audio driver. So guys, if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, because installation process same. Audio driver, click to download. It will start downloading. You can see this. So it is downloaded. After that, open it. Then just double click to launch. And then click on yes. Now this is installing the audio driver. Then it is closed, means this is installed, and then close it. Chipset. So first install this one and click to download, and it is completed. Just open it and double click to launch. Done. Yes. And then it's close. Then install this one, Intel NF installations. So click to download. And then yes, double click to X, and yes. Now this is installing. and then close it and install LAN driver. So guys, this is different versions. Okay, install LAN driver, this one, click to download. And then open it and double click to exe. And then click on yes. And then close it, VGA driver. So Intel VGA driver, and click to download. And see, this is start downloading. Then it is downloaded. Just open and double click to exe. And double click exe. And then click on yes. Now this is extreme. Now this is installing. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Okay, then close it. After that, restart your system.